Hey guys, I wanted to welcome you in today. We're out here today at one of the apartments we've been building on. This is the eclectic apartment that we've converted from a commercial space into a 2-bedroom residential apartment. So wrapping some things up here today, going through some of the finishing touches on it. And one thing we noticed was the faucet for the tub does not get overly hot. So one of the things I wanted to show you guys today, there are a lot of different types of shower tub faucets. Some are easier than others to adjust. We typically go with the Delta or the Peerless brand, and that is not the Delta brand that you pick up at Home Depot. Big difference in products. We found out through the years that the Delta product or the Peerless product that you get from a local plumbing supply house has totally different inner workings than what you're going to find from the ones at Home Depot. So these are extremely easy to adjust, and I wanted to show that to you today. Some of the others that we've gotten into from the Home Depot stores do not have the same adjustment system inside of them, making them a lot trickier to get the quick adjustments that you may want to get. So let's take a look at this one. Let me show you what the difference is on making them cold versus making it hotter, getting the adjustment right where you need it to be. Check it out. All right, so here we've got our unit. We have taken out, there was a screw that was right here. We've taken out, that is a Phillips head screw, just a quick removal there. And there was a plug that covered that. You can see it right here. We pried that out with the flathead screwdriver to remove it. Once that has been removed, you can simply pull the lever straight out. And then look at the cartridge we've got inside here. It says on there, I think it says like to adjust, pull, and turn. So what we've done, we're not getting enough hot water. So you simply take the unit, pull it out towards you, we do it now, and then twist it. So right now I'm all the way to hot. I'm gonna back it off a little bit, but for colder, you're gonna adjust it to the right. For hotter, you're gonna adjust it to your left. And then once you get the adjustment where you want it, you basically slide it back in. So what I was doing, each time I made an adjustment, I was putting the lever back on. Until we got it to the desired temperature we wanted. Next thing we'll do is put that set screw back in it, right here. And then the plug, the cap that goes over the end, basically friction fit it back on and tighten it back up. So that's basically it. I want to give you guys a quick overview. If you're trying to do that yourself, just know if you're working with one of these Delta products, it is a very quick change. So this was a Delta rough end. You can see here it was a Peerless outer unit that we worked with here. The two are actually interchangeable with each other, and that's what we like to work with because it makes it nice and simple for us. Hope you enjoyed that quick fix. Thanks again for watching.